Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make classic restaurant style butter chicken. Come on, let us have a look. Now let us see the ingredients one by one. Take 6 tablespoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Let us see the masala items next. 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, half tablespoons of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of chicken masala. Now wash and clean 200 grams of chicken. Take some required salt and a pinch of sugar and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We need to marinate the chicken using all the ingredients. First add the required salt, mix well. Now add the curd, now add the ginger garlic paste and mix well. Add all the masalas and again mix well. Add a pinch of sugar and add the 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Keep the marinated chicken aside for 20 minutes. Now heat a pan, add ghee to it. Now add the marinated chicken, stir and mix well. Cook the chicken for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the masala gets thickened. Close the lid for the chicken to cook for some time. Now the chicken has cooked well. Sprinkle the curry leaves and the coriander leaves or any herbs of your choice. Butter chicken masala is ready to eat. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.